How to fix something went wrong issue on Instagram iPhone. In this video, I will show you how to fix something went wrong issue on Instagram iPhone. The first step is to open the settings of your phone just like I have done here. After that, you will see these different sections. Scroll through them and look for one named General. Here it is, tap on it. On the General page, you will see options such as About, Software Update, AppleCare and Warranty, AirDrop, AirPlay and Handoff, Picture-in-Picture, CarPlay, iPhone Storage, and Background App Refresh. From the options, tap on this one named iPhone Storage. Please wait for the page to finish loading. You will see a list of all the different apps on your phone here. Scroll through the list and look for the Instagram application. As you can see, here it is. Tap on it. On this page, you will see two options. One is Offload App. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available in the App Store. The other option is Delete App. This will delete the app and all related data from this iPhone. This action can't be undone. So the option we will use is the one. Tap on it. After that, you will get this menu that requires you to confirm your action. Go ahead and tap on it. Wait for the offloading process to finish. Finally, tap here, reinstall, and the app will reinstall afresh without losing any data. Just give it time. If this does not work, then do this. Exit the settings of your phone. After that, open any browser on your phone. I will use the Chrome web browser. Next, go to the search bar and type Instagram login. You will many search results from Google. Tap on the first search result and you will be taken to the Instagram login page. Make sure you enter the right login details of your account and go ahead and log in, and hopefully it will be successful just like mine here. That is how to fix something went wrong issue on Instagram iPhone.